Hi everybody, how you doing today? Good. Just wanted to give you another quick video update on another small project that I've been tinkering with over the last couple of months. I decided to kind of finish it off right here and just leave it as is. This is the 1/16 scale Hosim G171 four-wheel drive buggy. As you can see, I made the most obvious change I made to it is the addition of these WL Toys 112 scale tires. I believe this is off of the 12401, if I'm not mistaken. It's a 112 scale four-wheel drive buggy. But of course, I wanted to try to see how it looks on this. You know, being with the gunmetal gray, kind of picks up on some of the paint scheme that's splashed all around the car. Some other changes, of course, I've made are gold color internal coil oil-filled shocks, and of course, same on the back. Right. Mechanically, it's still the same in terms of the dog bones, plastic in the front and back. This is it's a budget entry-level RC car, so I decided to keep it on 2S, as you can see, with the lipo battery that I just wedged in here. This is a typical 1500 milliamp. Actually, this one here is a this is a 1500 milliamp 7.4 volts 2S lipo. As you can see, I've gone brushless on it. And in here is a Surpass Hobby 2845 5900 kV motor, a small 25 amp ESC right inside there, and the radio system I actually mounted to the roof upside down, which is right up here. I mounted it to the roof because there's literally no room to mount it anywhere else in the car. And of course the digital servo, which is over here. So it was a very tight fit, as you can see, and of course the car came stock with twin lithium-ion battery packs on both sides of the car right over here, but I've decided to go away with it and go with the lipo out back. So of course I have a bit more runtime and of course a lot more power. So I have run this one already on the road, and it's quite a bit faster as is. Now with the addition of these tires here, it'll be just that much quicker. Like I said, with the addition of the brushless conversion from the stock unit, the stock unit was plenty fast for kids, but this one here obviously brings it up one notch, and it's quite enjoyable now. And I have a lot of fun running it. And of course, as you can see, everything is very, very tight. So I'll take off the body shell so you can kind of see what's going on here. Really not much to see, but that's the mechanics of it. And as you can see, there's not much room for much in terms of electronics. But I made it work, and it's pretty peppy now. Obviously, wheel spin is there, but now with the larger tires, I have more grip than the stock ones would. I tried the stock ones on this one here, and I needed something a little bit more, I guess something with a little bit more meat, because now with the brushless power plant, it's just that much more powerful. I needed more rubber on the road. Just handling was an issue with, obviously with the stock tires, because now I'm entering turns at much higher speeds, be it on tarmac or grass. So I needed something with a wider track, so that's why I chose these ones here, because as you can see, the track is quite wide, and it's still relatively low to the ground. So not like a heavy off-road basher, but more for, you know, the occasional light off-road, you know, bash test, and but mainly for off-road. For on-road. And so yeah, that's it. That's I guess a quick video update of my Hosim G171 four-wheel drive buggy. It's a 1/16 scale. If you have any questions about this RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please by all means leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. All right, guys, take care. Ciao.